my take on bite-sized bagels and lox. Who's hungry? That is truffled deviled eggs for you. And I have my eye on this one because it's like huge. It's like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Let's go for it.
Toast time.
I love this recipe for 2 reasons. It's fast and easy.
Do you love this recipe?
And
Do you heart it?
I know it makes
Does it make your heart skip a beat?
I know it makes you happy because it's a very pretty dish. It has the bright red of the hot honey, white ricotta on the bread with the pistachios and the green. It's like
The hot honey
pretty
is just
dish.
so beautiful and bright orange and
Yeah,
just.
it's very cool. But it's all meant to be
It's so delicious.
demolished.
Our apricots are fresh off the grill. I'm just going to break this ball right in half. Spanish cured ham. Woo, 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 woo. So whenever I think of springtime, I think of asparagus. And my favorite ways to cook it are grilled or just simply broiled. Broiling asparagus is so delicious because it's so customizable. You can just put a little salt and olive oil on there.
This salad does not taste like you're eating Brussels sprouts.
Yeah.
It's fresh. It has lemon
He
juice,
loves
so
that
it's
word.
super bright. Marcona almonds, cheese, parm cheese, garlic, and you blend it all up. It is just
It's almost like a Caesar salad a little bit, but
ooh,
with
Brussels
Marcona
sprouts Caesar
almonds.
salad.
One of my favorite ways to cook carrots is to pan roast them so they caramelize a little bit with a little bit of harissa, which is really spicy, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of orange juice, and some salt. It's 5 ingredients, really, really simple. It's the perfect side dish for any main course. Bagna cauda. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, but it translates into hot bath. And it's exactly that. You basically dunk raw veggies and slightly boiled veggies and bread into this hot bath of olive oil mixed with a ton of garlic and anchovies. It's kind of like a fondue, but the Italian way, and it's so much better. Eric, don't you wish that this is your back?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect picnic lentil salad. You'll never look at lentils the same. Let's try. Today I'm making lentils. And you're just gonna give this a good toss just to combine the oil with the garlic and the broccolini. I have my victim. I'm gonna take a little piece of garlic here, cut this in half. Oh, it is so al dente. It's not overdone. You can tell because it's still bright green. All right. Perfectly golden brown. You don't need to do any dishes because you're gonna be eating the bowl itself. It's just so gorgeous. So if you haven't tried Colcannon, you have to try it. And it's really, really simple to make. All it is mashed potatoes with either a little kale or cabbage in it, some type of onion, a lot of butter, and usually a little bit of milk or cream in it. Potato salad time. You just want to pour it all over. This potato salad doesn't have any mayo in it. Bacon, apple, and cheese. How could you go wrong? Paper thin pieces of potato. So I'm gonna take my apple. Not even gonna know what's a potato and what's an apple, and that's the key. It's time to dig in. I'm going to mash them up. You can get a nice little facial too with all this steam. And we're gonna go ahead and add our roasted garlic. Look at how beautiful it is. beer bread, anyone? Because we're using beer to your beer bread. Isn't that awesome? The perfect crumb. This is everything you want in a cheesy garlic bread. It's stringy, it's gooey, it's super buttery and amazing. And it all starts off with a really nice loaf of bread. This recipe is pretty foolproof. It's really great. It's for Parker House rolls, which are really buttery and just amazing. They originated in Boston, so super close to us. Boston, New England. I have to admit, I'm kind of a biscuit snob. I love biscuits so much. No matter where I go for brunch, I always ask for a biscuit instead of toast. So I wanted to make the best biscuit I could possibly make in my own kitchen. Fresh out of the oven. All right, let's break it open. Let's see what's happening. Oh man, look at that biscuit.